batter who smashed a couple of sixes. Not a bad idea, you know, because a batter who's been batting for a while, knows the conditions, got the pace of the pitch to his liking. I think this is a very sensible call by Bangladesh.
He has been sighting the ball really well. That's why he's accomplished the kind of feat that he has. So good decisions on both sides. Ahmed Danial to bowl and Saqlain and Habib to come out for Bangladesh.
Irfan Khan, his choices would have been Ahmed Danial, who bowled a brilliant last over, 2 for 11 of his 4 the entire spell, and Sufyan Mukim, 3 for 11. So he has gone for the safe option, which is go pace. Habibur Rahman Sohan, 26 of 16 with 3 boundaries and a couple of sixers. He's been joined by Abdul Ghaffar Saqlain, who remain unbeaten, 16 of 12 deliveries with 2 sixes. Ahmed Danial was excellent with the ball and the bat in the semi-final. Continues his good work with 4 overs, 11 runs, 2 wickets, and he will continue to bowl the super over. The field, the short third man, short cover point, short fine leg, short extra cover, in deep, sweeper cover, long off, long on, deep mid and deep square leg. Here we go, super over time. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Danial. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saqlain back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saqlain, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saqlain. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saqlain departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazigori got an hand but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes for the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat. 10 minutes go back in time, and now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Nazigori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial right throughout in the death overs in the tournament. He's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. But he has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the 2nd time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled, 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that he should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over, that 6 balls. 6 already on the board. Bangladesh are done.
Danger man just faced one delivery. That was the downfall for Bangladesh. Abubur Rahman got a single from the first ball. Yet to watch agonizing from the non-strikers, and both his partners been dismissed for some excellent deliveries by Ahmed Danial. Into the super over in the first semi-final. Team batting second at that time. Bangladesh won pretty easily. Now Pakistan, when they come out to bat, they've got to make 7 runs with 2 wickets in.
I'm sure he must be the ball in his hand. Bangladesh can still dream.
Millions watching this coverage. They be glued to the TVs.
So the news is just Mas Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan.
Saad Masood.
Can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent. Certainly the find of the season for Bangladesh. For Ripon to make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle. Short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal go away from the left-handed Mas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to speedy stroke. Directed would have had him. It's excellent cricket. Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, the good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's 1 more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Called back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require 1 now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just 1 run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shaheens are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.
Great scenes there in the ground. The Pakistan players run out. They celebrate this win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 125 defended in magnificent fashion. Match going to the super over. Bangladesh matching them ball to ball, wicket to wicket. And in the end, the super over belongs to Pakistan. Great game, great Edwards for the Asia Cup.
This is by far the best final, the best tournament of the Asia Cup Rising Stars. We had everything. Drama, super over, and then Shaheens go on to clinch their 3rd title of the competition.
5th final in 7 years for the Shaheens, and heartbreak for Bangladesh.